Hello guys, so once again, welcome sa aking channel. Now let's test this. Let's play this ano bang name ng ano nito? MX-T70 na Samsung what Samsung speaker. Ito yung ano niya, MX-T70. So let's play this para ma-test natin. Sound checking, this is good. This is checking the sound.
I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last.
Di pa yan full
volume. Past, I close my eyes and face the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just got.
Full nating volume. Pinaka full na volume niya is 50. Hanggang 50 lang. See? Oh. I'm keep pressing the plus. Pero hanggang 50 lang kanyang volume. So ready to feel the volume, the sound of this one. Yung lakas niya. So are you ready to feel the sound of this one? Hindi ba yan full na volume ha?
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes and face the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches.
Full nating volume. Again. Para lang marinig natin.
Restlessness to hell and back.
Malakas. That was so loud.
What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you.
Wow. Very, very loud. Very nice. Sobrang loud guys. Pwede pang outdoor to eh. And check natin what's in here. Anong nasa USB. So I don't know kung anong function ng USB nito. Yeah, yung for music na mga ano, na mga naka-store na music. Mic 2 out in. Wala siyang, hindi siya pwede pang meron. Yan. Ganda. Pwede pang aux. So very nice guys. Very, very cool. Very good. Very good. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda.
And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Very nice. Okay, so i-try natin full na guys. Full na talaga to. I-try natin. Okay. Sobrang ganda. Grabe. Woo! That was so cool. All right. Ganda ba ng bass? Wow. That's all for today. Thank you so much.